Okay, we're on 7.1 and we have a problem. Problem is this gal is Vanna is supposed to score 20 points per game. And she can take 2-point shots, so she can take 3-point shots from downtown if she's so inclined. The deal is though, she has to get 20 points per game. Now, the way the problem is worded, be careful, it says 20 point, not more 20 points or more, it's 20 points. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Just keep that in the back of your mind. So they say, what happens if she scores 6 2-pointers and she makes 2 threes? Does she hit 20? Well, let's check. So 18 points total? I think not. The coach puts her on the bench. 14-6. She can play another day. 14-12. Now here she actually exceeds her average. Okay. All right, so those are the 3 scenarios they run. Now, they ask you to graph it says graph the equation. Oh no, I'm sorry, we have to create an equation first that'll do this. Now let's think about this for just a second. 2-pointers. We'll say 2-pointers are X's. So we can put she hit 6 or 4 or 5, however many, and every time she gets 2 points. Then she gets 3 points. Now we can't do X again, we'll do Y. And that combination together gets us to 20. Let's use that middle one for an example. Okay, so here she hit 7 2-pointers, right? So there's the number of shots she made. And she hit 2 of the 3-pointers, so that's the number of shots she made. And that gets you 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. Now, the last question on the problem, they ask you to graph that. I want you to be careful about that. That's going to be discrete, because think about it. If you graph that as a continuous line, you can't get like 1 point on a 2-point shot. That's not possible. There's going to be only certain combinations that work, and as you're trying to work through that, be aware of that. For example, you could have, she could take 10 2-point shots and make no 3-pointers, and that'll get you 20. But if she takes, let's say she takes 6. No, that'll work. 6 3-pointers will get you to 18, and if she takes 1, that'll also get you to 20. But what if what if she took 5 3-pointers and made them? That would give you 15. There's no way to get 5 points shooting 3-point buckets, okay? So your graph is going to hit certain points, and that'll be discrete. So just kind of keep an eye out for that while you're graphing.